let's have a broader look at what's going on with Amanda.
Thanks, Brittany. That's right. We're going to take a look at the southeast and get into the first look at that Hurricane Rena. We promised you. You'll get a more extensive look later on in the broadcast. But for right now, current temperatures across the southeast are very mild, very seasonable for this time of year. We have 80 degrees in New Orleans and also 80 degrees in Miami, all the way up to the upper 60s, 68 in Raleigh and 69 in Charleston. Now, right here in Tallahassee, it's 78 right now. We only reached a high of 80 degrees here in Tallahassee, but most of the southeast is feeling pretty uniform with those temperatures. Everyone's kind of in the same boat with the 40s at night and even into the 70s and that 80-degree mark during the day. So across the region, we are still remaining high and dry, high pressure in effect over the lower Mississippi River Valley, just keeping any rain chances and also any cloud development to a minimum across the region. And that high pressure is going to be persisting for another few days. We aren't looking to see that first shot of rain in the southeast until at least Wednesday, and right here in Tallahassee, maybe not even until Thursday night. And this is what that looks like. Again, that rain is going to stay well out of our picture, but at the very end of this loop, you can begin to see that this model is picking up on a little bit of rainfall in the extreme northern portions of the southeast, and that'll be filtering into the rest of the southeast by Wednesday evening and into Thursday. Now, our rain chances here in Tallahassee are going to remain only at about a 30%. Now, also relevant to the southeast is the track of Hurricane Rena right here. That's right, Hurricane Rena, Category 1, winds of 75 miles per hour. This is very reminiscent of Hurricane Wilma in 2005, which made landfall in Cape Romano, Florida, and was the fourth costliest storm in U.S. history. So we'll keep an eye on that for you. Now, a little more relevant in the short-term forecast, at least, is the pollen outlook for the next few days. Very low. That's good news because usually when things get high and dry this time of year, the pollen count goes way up. So we're lucky to have that staying low over the next few days. Beach forecast tomorrow, if you're heading out there, things are looking great. 72 degrees is the water temperature. And if you're boating as well, the winds are going to be calm with a moderate chop. So tonight, temperatures across the region, like I mentioned, those 40s, 55 down at the coast in Apalachicola, where they have that sea breeze keeping them a little warmer. And tomorrow's forecast across the southeast, pretty much a copy of exactly what we saw today. Temperatures ranging anywhere from the upper 70s to the low 80s across the region. 81 degrees is that high in Tallahassee. And as we go through the rest of the week, well, we're not going to make too many changes to that map because things are going to remain completely high and completely dry, at least until the midweek.
Well, that's good news, the nice weather in our forecast. Now, let's go back to Bolivia a little bit. You heard us talking about a super volcano. We just wanted to tell you the difference. A regular volcano, it does its thing, but a super volcano is about 1,000 times more powerful than a normal volcano. So that's definitely why we're bringing the story to you, because that could be a serious thing should a super volcano go off in the next 100 years or so.
And, of course, the last super volcano eruption was 75,000 years ago in Indonesia. So they're saying we're long overdue for one of those.
Yes, and well, luckily, no supervolcano eruptions to worry about in the immediate forecast are hopefully around the country. Adrian's going to look more